Hello everyone, welcome to VIrtuMentor. Today we will learn about an array in shell script. An array is variable in shell script which hold multiple values with same or different data type. Normally in shell script everything considered as string. First we create a script called array.sh and add shebang value. The shebang value is nothing but hash explanation mark /bin /bash. There are three ways to declare array. One is indirect, explicit and compound. Let's declare an array. Indirect. In indirect, we declare an array as Virtu 0 is equals to mentor. In this, Virtu is an array name, 0 is index number and mentor is value of an array. In array, the index starts with 0 and goes to n minus 1. Means if we have 10 element in array, then index of last element is 9 as index start with 0. Next, explicit. In explicit, we first declare array and then assign values to it. To declare it, we use declare keyword. Declare space minus a space virtu. In this, we are using keyword declare space minus a that stands for array and virtu is a name of our array. The third one is compound. In compound, we declare array with values like array name is equals to values in a bracket like enter. We can also assign a numeric values like this. We can also add new values to array later in compound. In this tutorial, we are using compound array, so let's comment indirect and explicit array declare above. Now, we will see how to print values of array. Values. Now, to print all element of array, we use echo dollar curly brackets the name of our array and is square bracket 0. So at the rate. Now I will add comment over here that print all element. And also I would like to add a message all element. Let's save this script and we will execute it. Sh array.sh. See. So here we have printed a message all elements and later we have printed all elements of an array which we have declared. To print all element of array, we can also use another statement. So I'll comment the existing one. Echo dollar curly brackets name of our array square bracket add star. So this will also print all element of array. Let's execute this script as well. Yes. this way. So there are two ways, and that is @ and star. Now we'll see to print a selective index value. I add a comment over here, selective index. To selective index, to print the first element, like we have multiple elements in that array and we want to print only the first element of array. So to print first element, we use dollar, curly brackets, name of our array, and in square bracket 0. That will print the first index value. So I would like to add a message as well over here, echo first element. Let's save this script and we will execute it. Array.sh. Here we can see that the only mentor is get print in from the whole array. To print the first element, we can also use another syntax. For that, echo dollar curly brackets and the name of our array. Let's save this and execute it. So here we will get the first element of array. So now to print the first element of array, we can use the index 0 or only we can give the array name. Now we will print a selective index like the other index values. Here, now in our array, we have mentor, 21, Linux, bash and script. These are the elements. Total 5 elements in our array. So now I just wanted to print an element which have the index 3. Echo dollar curly brackets Virtu and index 3. So as I mentioned, the index values are n-1. Currently in our array we have 5 elements, so the index will be, the last elements index will be the 5 minus 1 means 4. So when we are printing the index value 3, then it will get print a bash because the mentor have the index 0, 21 have the index 1 and Linux have the index 2 and the bash have the index 3. Let's see what will be our output. Here the bash. Okay. So in this array, we can also print the length of element in array. So here I'll give you some comments. Length of element. It means that if we provide any element index value, it will print the length of that specific element. So now echo dollar curly brackets. In the curly brackets, first we have to use the hash for the length, then our value, array name and the index value of the element. So it will print the total number of elements, or the length we can say, of the index 0, that will be a mentor. Let's save this and print. Let me add some comments over here as well. So echo length of element. Here we have the first element, so I will enable this as well, and I will add one more comment over here, that is third element. So now we'll see the length. Okay, I'll execute the script. So length of element will be 6. It means that the mentor have the length 6. So this is all about an array in VirtuMentor. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to VirtuMentor and comment for any suggestion. Thank you.